What is going on today, guys? Today I'm going to be bringing you a video on the 420. We're going to be doing another sort of product review, kind of install. Not really install because it's already installed. Just going to be showing you how I have my light bar set up. So, I've had a couple people. Let's open this garage door. It is awfully dark. Alright, so I've had a couple people ask me how I run my double stacks. Yes, I know it does look a little goofy sometimes. Sometimes I do like it. Been thinking about taking it off since I do have the Recluse off-road headlights. Have a review on those also. If you haven't checked it out, please go check it out. But so everything that I'm going to be showing in the video today will be in the description down below. So please go check it out if you want to know what I used on it. And you know, now I got a video on how to run it. So this is a 2019 420 Rancher, and the way I have it ran is I've just got it on this front little bumper piece with these $10 mounts. I got these mounts from, I know these two I got from my ATV store, and then the other two was just from Amazon. I think they was like 10 to 15 bucks. Light bar I think was closer to 30. It is a 12-inch. It does have the spot and the floodlight. Did have two different light bars there for a while, and then I bought another one. That way they matched each other. But all the wiring is both on one side. It is dirty back there. Sorry about that. And it just runs through the grill there. Same hole. I don't know if you can see through there, but it does run up. It runs straight in, and then it runs over the top of the radiator. And then the way it goes is it goes to those wires right there. As you can see, this wire right here, that's the light bar. That's one of them. The other one, I don't even know where the other one is. But anyway, they both go to this wire. These wires right here. These are factory wires. Zip ties loose. But I do have all my headlights wired up in the same place. That way they're out of the way. That way if a stick was to get caught in the tire and sling up, you know, hopefully it wouldn't rip the wires up. But they run back. Those wires are like right here. They run back. They run alongside the gas tank on the frame rail. That goes, as you can see, the frame rail's right here. Runs right here, zip tied all to the frame rail. As you can see, there's the wire again. It runs right there with that wire. And I know it does look like a mess. It is a mess. It wouldn't be, but I do have rock lights ran. And it is an eight-piece rock light set. That's all I had. I didn't want to wait on the 4-piece, so I had the 8-piece laying around, so I just went ahead and just put the 8-piece on. But I do have the jump box on because battery, still haven't bought a battery because it is winter time here, guys. It is getting cold. So I figured I wouldn't probably be riding a lot. Just jump it off and it charges itself up. Probably get a new one next year. But all you do, the way I have it set up is this is the light bar box. It does go to remote, or you can hook up a switch. I'm not big on running the switches and then having to drill your plastics and then run the switch. The way I got it set up, let me turn the jump box on here. The way I got it set up is, comes with this remote, on, off, strobe, flash, or bright. Very, very bright. I just feel like the remote was a lot easier. That way, if we're stuck in a mud hole or something, I can just, you know, turn them on, off, whatever. If I'm away from the four-wheeler and need to see something, need to light something up. It is a lot easier as I'm sitting down. As you can see, when I'm sitting down, it's just, you know, right there, off, on. It's just a lot easier, I feel like. A lot easier to run. You don't have to run no toggle switch and none of that. It's just on a remote. and you just hook up this and then run your wires, and then that's it. It just, I find it a lot easier. It might be easier for some of you guys, but, or not as easy as to run this, but you might like, you know, to run a toggle switch. There has been a few instances where I would have much rather had a toggle switch, but I do like this a lot. But like I said, I was just gonna give you a video on how I have my light bars ran, what I got on them, what I used, and everything. The control switch, I think it was like 12 to 15, and on Amazon, comes with the wires and the remote, and it's already got the fuse in it and everything. And then mounts and light bar you can just get on Amazon, really cheap. I think there's less than $50 in the double light, with both the light bars and the switch, and not hard to install at all. And this is what it looks like with all the headlights turned on and everything else. Turn my jump box back on. And that's with the headlights on, off, and then light bar. So as you can see, it's a good bit of light. Good bit of light. Like I said, I've been thinking about taking the light bars off. I just wanted to give a video for anybody that wanted to run a light bar, that figured it might be easier just to run this instead of having to do the toggle switch like I said before. But yeah, if you like this video, please give me a like, give me a comment, and please subscribe. Please check out my other videos. I have a review on the Boss soundbar, got a review on the Recluse Off-Road headlights. Been thinking about doing a review on the Mega Mayhems. If you want to see that video, please let me know. If you want to see a video on how I have my rock lights ran, please let me know. Trying to get some more ideas on what you guys want to see. I kind of want to do my channel based on ATV or UTV parts, accessories, kind of, you know, what does best. And I'm trying to get you guys some riding videos. Like I said, it is getting colder. We haven't really been riding much. I think last time we rode was 3 or 4 weeks ago, and ever since then it's been cold. But if there's a day that it's warm and we can get out there, I will be bringing y'all a riding video. But if you like this video, please let me know. Y'all enjoy.